Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Arts, showing you a drawing of my own creation. What I can only show you is the wait na, nagkukulay na lang tayo kasi I can show you the start of the drawing, which is way back in 2021. Syempre because of kakulangan sa gamit, kaya di natin na-record yung paano siya nag-start. For the context naman sa drawing, creating a dragon with badawig spikes, mahabang buhok, borely on orange and red color. Actually, isang character lang po siya, which is tog dragon is yung last stage niya po ng ang form niya. Kung naging Pokemon lang to, which is more like stage, ito yung last stage of evolution niya. And that's all para sa story, paano siya nagawa. And let's start paano tayo nagko-color ngayon. First is, kinukulayan natin na color orange. And the next one is color red. Sa isang spike, yung pinaka-pointed na part, second part na yan, yung kinukulayan natin na color red, which is yung pinaka-dulo niya, no? Tapos yung color orange, yung nasa gitna pababa. And then, yung black na color, which is ginagawa natin para siya may break, more like para siyang cracks na ma-highlight yung color na red. Yung process niya sa pagkukulay same lang din sa every spike yon. And then after nun, kinukulayan na natin, which is yung skin part na ng dragon. First is orange, and then red din, and also maya makikita natin, which is magagamit natin yung black. Same pa din, parang may din siya, same pa din sa process ng paggawa ng skin nung may spike parts, no? Yung part ng kinukulayan natin, which is more on right part ng dragon. And of course, no, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and share with your friends. And thank you for watching.